Principal Turdson. Yes, I know. Settle down. Settle down. 1, 2. I'm handing it over now to art history teacher Van Gogh. Be kind. Thank you, Principal. This year, we'll be analyzing the impressionistic works of painters from France. Let me stop you right there. You touch it again, I'm going to take it away. Okay? Yes, well, I'll just hand it over to Coach Abernathy for sports. Thank you, Mr. Van Gogh. There is no I in team, but there is an I of the Tiger, and I will bring it out of you because there is one in you. Let me go ahead and stop you. Hey, stop it. 1, 2. Let's have a winning season. Here's your guidance counselor. Thank you, Coach. I just want to remind everybody that I'm here all year, 6 days a week, and my door is always open.
Hey!
3. No. Let them be kids. It's okay.